Welcome to our company. By carrying the mission of ABL Group to be a world-class integrated sea logistics and infrastructure solutions provider that brings value to our global customers. Currently, ABL Group is growing rapidly and integrated in port management, tug and barge business, floating cranes and mother vessels. Asian Bulk Logistics, PT. ABL, as engineer of Bulk Celebes. FLF Bulk Celebes is a floating loading facility or a ship with a crane as a place or means to move coal belonging to PT. Barrow coal. The FLF Bulk Celebes ship is owned by PT. Asian Bulk Logistics, PT. ABL, which is engaged in coal mining services, namely loading and unloading services for mining products. In conducting ship charter transactions, after obtaining an explanation or contract request from the customer, the company will check the availability of the ship and physical inspection first to ensure operational feasibility and conformity with customer requests. After the vessels meet the requirements, the company will send the vessels to customers in their operational areas. Bulk Celebes ship loading operations and barge to submersible ship. Where one Bulk Celebes ship and 3 barges are loaded on a submersible ship, self-propelled semi-submersible through the float-on, or float-off method. This is the result of hard work and long professional handling in terms of chartering the right vessel with the most suitable technical details, technological characteristics as well as cost-effective factors. ABL Group works closely with customers and ship owners to meet all technical aspects, as well as weather conditions and loading site criteria, and is thoroughly planned so that all can be safely loaded to their final destination. We have standards and processes in place to help ensure that every employee, both on shore and at sea, can operate in the safest work environment possible. We are ABL, Integrated Sea Logistics and Infrastructure.